I'm going to show you how to release fascial adhesions in your body and explain why they develop in under 3 minutes. Fascia is primarily our connective tissue. It's this three-dimensional matrix that holds our entire body together. This is primarily composed of collagen, elastin, and ground substance. The combination of these three properties helps us to distribute force effectively throughout the body, helps with movement, helps with communication throughout an entire body, but it also creates tension in a healthy way to literally hold us together. What can happen due to many reasons, which could be living a sedentary lifestyle, overtraining, doing repetitive movements, doing asymmetrical movements, injury, even surgery, this can lead to these fascial adhesions, which is primarily your ground substance, which is this gel-like fluidy substance that I mentioned, starts to become more sticky, a little bit more dry. It starts getting dehydrated. And these fascia sheets or these fascia fibers start to quite literally adhere together. And that can cause tension in the body. That can lead to pain, immobility, a whole lot of different issues and connections and communications throughout the body. Now I'm going to show you an effective approach on how to actually release these adhesions that are significantly more effective than just stretching. Grab a block from Block Therapy or a tightly rolled up towel as our fascia decompression tool, and we're going to position this directly over top of our belly button for this example. Now, nice and slow, you're going to bring yourself directly over top of the towel or your block, and we're going to stay up on the elbows. Now, we need to get into a very relaxed state to allow the adhesions to rehydrate and to release. Our fascia is used as this protective mechanism, so we have to let its guard down a little bit so that we can actually go in there and make some change. The first thing is breathing in and out through the nose and try to exhale longer than you inhale. Exhale 6 counts, inhale of 4 counts. That's going to trigger more of a parasympathetic response and bring us into more of that chill, relaxed vibe. And then we want to be breathing through the diaphragm. So our belly should be expanding into the towel and our rib cage should be expanding circumferentially at the same time and then getting smaller. Once you've settled in and you're starting to feel some pain or adhesions or discomfort, which is normal as long as it's not too intense, then you can very slowly start moving in a controlled way. As soon as you move fast, then our body and our fascia is going to react and we're not going to be nearly as deep. Once you spent about 3 to 5 minutes, you're going to place your hands on your shoulders, exhale up and off, and that is one example of how you can release fascial adhesions, especially in the belly.